Hello and welcome to Tokyo Disneyland. This is day 2. We just came from Disney Sea yesterday, so it's day 2, and we're here at the beautiful Tokyo Disneyland. So we just came inside the park, and you can see already a planter here, and that is the entrance over there. It is still well themed, so they do have benches. The one at Disney's California Adventure and Disneyland, between the two entrances, they don't have benches, so that sucked. But this one, at least they have some benches, which is cool. They have better decoration here, lighting, nice concrete pathway. So nice building, nice entrance plaza. And you still have some shops. There's nothing like that in Disneyland in California, so. There they're doing the Space Mountain, the Intamin coaster next door, so yeah. So just like the one in California, they have like stores around here. What's cool is they have like a glass ceiling. You could just, if it's raining, at least you don't get rained on. Then there's the beautiful castle right in front of us. This one's probably better than the one in California. We got some stores around here. It's kind of like a Disney, downtown Disney area. You just walk around. There's shops around here. There's a statue right in front of you. It's really nice here. Aquarium. It's really nice. There's another way, and also over here. So there's the castle and then the balloons. So it's really nice in here. Next, we're riding the Pirates of the Caribbean water ride. There's the boat, and this is the queue line to the ride. They're like four rows, seater. So this is the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. This is the one we're gonna go on next. Not much theming on the ride, but we're gonna hop on the ride now. So we just got off the Pirates of the Caribbean. The effects were good, though it was kind of boring. It's only one drop. It's pretty much it. I was expecting for another drop, but the ride came to an end after a few minutes after that first drop. There wasn't really too much. I wish there was like 2 more drops or something. That would have been made the ride more enjoyable. But I think the key is because of the theming that they put in there with the storyline and the animatronics. So they probably just wanted to fit in with the animatronics. But I just wish they could have tried to fit in the storyline with the drop. So I wish they had more drops on it. But anyway, yeah, effects were good. It was an okay ride. So yeah. Alright, so we're here by Jungle Cruise, and I think Big Thunder is down over there, but unfortunately it's closed during our visit. So whatever we're gonna see first, we're gonna go on. So we're here in the Jungle Cruise area. So I guess this is where we're gonna go on next. Probably the Jungle Cruise. So I don't know, we'll see. Looks like we're going to Jungle Cruise. The scary thing about the Jungle Cruise is the boat keeps on rocking side to side. It's like you're gonna like tip over, so every single time we're like tipping over, I feel like we're gonna sink and stuff. So it's going that way because of the waves of the water. But, the Jungle Cruise was fun to kind of explore if you want to have some relaxation from other rides. So it absolutely was nice to see the animals and stuff around the jungle and stuff. It's really cool. So we're eating lunch here today at the Tomorrowland Terrace. I got a cheeseburger, plain, and French fries, and I got some Sprite for my drink. And then we're gonna go on some more rides. Next ride we are gonna go on is Gadget's roller coaster. We're heading on that way now. So literally this is an empty pond. There's nothing in there. There's no like fish, no koi fish or anything, no frogs, just completely empty. So we're on our way to Gadget's Go Coaster right now. Alright, here we are in Toontown. This is the cartoon side of Disneyland. So they have the kiddie rides back here. They do have some restaurants and shops this way. So, and they have their main attraction here is the Gadget's Go Coaster, which we're about to go on. So they got some kiddie rides and some like very cool decorations, some very good theming. So really, really nice. The landscaping and everything is just absolutely fantastic. Alright, we just got off the Gadget's Go Coaster. So difference is the coaster is flipped reverse, and they made the coaster 1 foot taller, I think, than the one in Anaheim. So that one in Anaheim is a little bit shorter, but it looks like it's a cloned coaster. I think they just made it a bit taller, like 1 foot taller. So that was still a fun ride though. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around and you know, have a little bit of fun, and maybe we can go on maybe some other rides. So I'll let you guys know what rides we're going on next. Beautiful fountain. We're walking past towards Toontown. Now we're leaving Toontown. I think we're gonna ride something else. So I'll let you know what we're gonna ride next as we walk by. So now looks like we're gonna be going on the Rogers Rabbit Toon Spin. This is a recreation I made on Open R2D2 a while back on my gaming channel, the Wooden Mill HD. So we'll go on that one next. Alright, check out the cars of the Roger Rabbit's Toon Spin. And now going in the queue line. Theming is pretty okay. Pretty much the same as the one in California. So we mostly have cloned rides over here because it's the traditional ride for the attraction. So they have to like match it up with the Disneyland in California. That's the original Disneyland. We have some posters up. We got some big door here. This is we're in like a little funky house. It's pretty cool. Alright, we just got off the Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin attraction. Yeah, the effects are great. I do love the way the Peter Rabbit was talking at the end and stuff. He was pulling this door to let us out and stuff, or to let us in. It was a fun little, cute little attraction for the family. So I recommend you to check it out once you're in Tokyo Disney. But you know, like I said before, most of the rides here are like cloned because this is basically Disneyland. They have to really try to copy the original one, like almost copy them. So you know, the ride will make sense. They try to change the storyline a little bit, but they still have to, you know, kind of make it a little bit of a clone. So it will really make sense for the, you know, for the storyline while the ride is moving. So of course that's what's gonna make the guests, you know, very entertained. You know, if they had a storyline to the attraction. If it's just gonna be like random animatronics just sitting there, then it's a boring little ride. So yeah, I'm not sure what we're riding next, but I will let you guys know what ride that will be. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna be riding It's a Small World after all. As you little cute little water ride here at Tokyo Disney. So we're trying to get on our way to It's a Small World. Alright, we're entering It's a Small World. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, we're in the queue of It's a Small World after all. And there's no much theming here. It's the fact that you see a boat ride. It's just like the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, but this is more a gentle version. This is a more gentle version of the Pirates of the Caribbean. This one doesn't have any drops in it, so it's just a decent amount of theming here. Not too crazy. So this is the queue line of It's a Small World after all. So the line doesn't look too bad. I'm so surprised. The one in California is always long lines. But we're in Tokyo. Their average timing for lines. There it goes again. The boat that we're gonna go on. It looks pretty much the same as the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Right, got off It's a Small World. We're gonna ride Peter Pan's Flight. So we're heading on to Peter Pan's Flight. Oh, sorry. We were gonna ride Pinocchio's Darling Journey, not Peter Pan. There's the ride. So here's the line for Pinocchio's Journey. There's the little vehicles up there. It's really hard to see from here, but looks like this is the amount of people we're gonna have to wait for. Looks like it's about only a 15-minute wait or 10-minute. So there's the vehicles right there. You can tell inside. It doesn't seem like there's much theming in the queue, but probably there's more theming in the ride. So yeah, kind of hard to see, but they're like little log cars. It's really cool that people sit in there. I think it's like 4 across seating or 2 across. It's 4-seater. It's a 2 across seater, and fits like 4 people. 4 people total on the ride. We just got off Pinocchio. We're not sure what we're gonna go on next, but we're just walking, and we're gonna find the next attraction to go on. So see you then. So it looks like we're riding Snow White's Adventures, probably. We're just walking by it, but it looks like we're going on it. So we're gonna go on Snow White's Adventures. This is the same entrance style as the one in the Pinocchio ride. Same design of the station, except there's like more theming to it inside the station. Looks like that's pretty similar to at Hong Kong Disneyland. One of the roller coasters, from what I heard. Close down the vehicles, it's like 4-seater, 2 across seating. So here it is again. There's 2 people on the front, 2 people on the rear car. So it's pretty much the same as the last ride we went on. Our next ride of the day is Peter Pan's Flight. So these are hanging cars, these are suspended cars, but it's not a roller coaster. So it looks like you're just in a little like boat thing that's floating in the air. So we're gonna be going up there, and we're gonna be hanging above or below the track as we're just cruising around inside. So a few minutes later, ride broke down, so we got stuck apparently with a bunch of people here just waiting till the ride's working. So we just got stuck here just waiting. You can really see you're sitting like that on this ride, so you're really hanging up right above below the track. That's how you're gonna ride it. So we just got off Peter Pan's flight. It was an amazing ride. Good theming, and it's more like family ride. You're, like I said, you're hanging below the track, so it's kind of like a suspended ride, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Good news though, they let me film a POV, so go ahead and check that POV out soon, later on my channel. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go on some rides again. So we're on our way to ride Haunted Mansion, which is right over there. So we're gonna check it out. Alright, that was Haunted Mansion. So there is a part of the ride that you go down, but it feels like it's a good drop for a roller coaster. I mean, like a spinning wild mouse coaster drop. So like in the middle of the ride, you really feel that drop. It's kind of steep, but it's a gentle ride. It's you know, a dark ride. It's like the Haunted Hotel from Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 Platinum. So it was a fun little ride. So it's not scary. It's you know, it doesn't give you nightmares or anything. So yeah, see you guys then. The cool thing is you can smell the churros from miles away, because they have a lot of churro stands here at the park, which you probably might be craving for churros when you're at Tokyo Disneyland, because their churros here are absolutely delicious. Probably more tastier than the ones in California. Right, next ride is Space Mountain. Is this the ride? That thing is huge, if that's the ride. So we're going Space Mountain. This is probably gonna be also Intamin, so we'll give it a try and see. Alright, we just got off the Space Mountain. These are two out of the 2 roller coasters that are open at Tokyo Disneyland at the moment. Big Thunder's closed, and they're building another big Space Mountain by Intamin. So it was a great ride. You get a lot of sort of airtime, so I'm part of the ride. So the one in Anaheim, actually, the one in California has more airtime than this one, and it has 3 lift hills. The one in Anaheim only has 1. So anyway, yeah, it's nighttime as you can tell, and I'll see you guys later. So that's gonna come to an end during my visit here at Tokyo Disneyland, and I had a wonderful time today. So I'm heading out to the park now, so as you can tell. Yeah, so anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.